Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality and Happy New Year. I am just starting to get back into my videos for 2022, and what I'm starting out with, I did a hot buy haul. That was my first one just to get my feet wet for the new year, and now I'm going to do several Valentine crafting videos. I have some new metal cutting dies from my Sizzix machine, and so I'll be featuring those. This first pack is from Craspire.com. I will have the link for their website down below if you want to check them out. I also have a coupon code for you down there, and I have done another kind of collaboration with them before, and they asked me to do it again, and I was like, awesome, I would love to, because I love their products. This time, the last time I did it, it was for the wax melts and doing the wax sealing, and I'll put the link for those videos down below that I did. This time, they asked me to pick some other products that they sell. They have all kinds of paper crafting products, and they had a bunch of metal dies. So all of this stuff was actually 4 different listings, and I'll put the listings down below for each one of them so you'll know. But let's see, so this first listing was for some layered dies. There is like a banner sort of, I don't know what you call that. They're apart now. They come attached to each other, but since I've used them already, they're stitched. I think the 4 of these came together. So there's a stitched heart set, a stitched scalloped flower set, stitched tag set, and then stitched banner. Not really a banner, but I don't know what you call that. What do you call that? Anyway, tickets. They're a little bit fatter than a ticket, but they kind of look like a ticket. So that's what came in that set. And then there was another set that had some heart circles, meaning they're circle, kind of like a doily cut, but the outside has a more intricate pattern. And then the inner circles have little tiny hearts all the way around. And so you'll see that. But for today, I used the tag die on these 2. And then I used this heart die. So this was one of the dies. Has 2 stitched hearts and then like a scalloped intricate heart around the edge. So I ended up using the 2 smaller hearts in there. And I did that one on here as well. So that's what these are. I'll show you the other items that I picked up for this collaboration, and then I'll get into making this really cool Valentine card if you want to know how I did that. So I did pick up one of the wax seals, and this one is a gingerbread man, so that'll be for next year. And then here is another set of dies, and they are the Snowflakes. So that'll be for next year. And then this one I love. And I wish I had received them before Christmas because they would have been awesome. So here is a lantern that it's kind of like a vintage lantern, and there's a little deer in the center. And then a snowman. This would be perfect for the front of a card or a journaling card. Here is one that is a snow, like a house and with snow on top and everything. Really love that. And this is a globe, a snow globe image with a house and trees and snow. So yeah, those would be fun. I can't wait to use those next year. Alrighty, but I will put the links for all these down below so that you can pick them up yourself if you'd like. Alrighty, so little Missy. I'm going to go over there. Thank you. All right. Okay, so what I'm going to be making with you today is one of these sweet Valentines. So the ones that I used for this are this bigger, more intricate circle. And then I also cut out one big heart and two smaller hearts for the outside and two smaller hearts on the inside. So if you have these, that's what you will want to use. Or, you know, you can cut similar items out that you may have, you know, that if you don't have these right now and you wanted to make this. But let me show you. You'll want a paper collection, and the one I am using is this Better Together. It's, I think, from last year or the year before. It's one of the hot buys. Pull all these pieces out. So I have a base card that is 8 inches by 6 inches. That's what you will want, and you'll just score it right down in the center. So score it at 4 inches. Fold it in half. Whoops, there goes everything. Pull all this over here. All right. Then I cut a piece that is 3.75 by 5.75, so it would leave a little border around. You could make it a little bit smaller so you would see a little bit more of that base card. It's just really up to you. I love this paper because there is a glitter, like a pink glitter on top of the lettering. I'm just going to use some of my tacky glue here, a little thin coat. And just put that right down on top. And then I'm going to take one of the circle little intricate little frames here. There are like little hearts and things going throughout. I really like that. And I'm just going to take and put a little bit of glue around the middle circle, and then just some around the edges, just really light. Just barely squeeze your bottle. And I'm going to come down to where this inner part is about 1 inch from the top there. And just glue that down on there. Oh, you know what I forgot? You know what I forgot to do was I cut a circle out of this glitter paper to go and show the underneath the base of my cards. That's what we're going to need to do here. So I'm going to pull this off really quick. I totally forgot about doing that. You know what? I can't pull that up. So what I'm going to do is cut another piece of this back here and put it right in there. That's the way I can fix that. Alright, so I cut out one of the circles. I am just going to glue this in on here, and then we'll just do more layering in here so it'll be really cute. Okay, so we're going to glue this in. And then take one of the bigger hearts, put that in the center. will use that heart in the middle, on the inside of my Valentine. And then I'm going to take this grid pattern and this little cut apart. This was in the paper collection as well. It was on the border strip page. So I just cut a piece out. I'm going to put some glue on the back of this and just kind of layer it under the heart like that. And then on the inside, just to add a little interest to the inside of the card, I added a strip and 2 of the hearts. So this was just 6 inches by 3/4 inches. Take that, and then I'll just add my hearts kind of at an angle. And this one is the pink. That. And then the final touch, just getting some glue out of there. Goodness. So you could add your sentiment here. If you have a Valentine stamp, you could stamp a little sentiment on the inside. The final touch on the outside is I have my Wink of Stella pen. I will link this down below if you do not have one of these. It is a brush pen with really fine glitter, and it just gives everything a little bit of a shimmer. I really love it. Dries pretty quick too, but you just paint it over whatever part you want to add a little bit of sparkle, and then you let it dry. It probably takes about 10 minutes or so to dry, not even that. But yeah, that is my really cute little Valentine using the cutting dies that I received from Craspire.com. So I will link their website down below if you'd like to check them out. And then I made these really simple little tags, just cutting the circle out of pink, or the heart out of pink, and then the tag out of this plaid underneath, and layering that on top, adding a heart at the bottom, and then just adding these really fun little clothespins at the top. So they're just simple little tags you can make for any kind of paper crafting or friend mail or something like that. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. Follow along because I'll have another video doing another sort of like a little mini folio Happy Mail junk journal insert sort of thing, using the same paper and some more of the dies from Craspire. And it is another just really fun little Valentine thing that you can make for a gift or whatever. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.